And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're going to talk about the brand new iMac. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when next videos to come up, tips and tricks, and a bunch of little reviews just like this one. Check out my merch blog, 130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and look at what I like and what I hate about the new iMac. Here we go. As you all probably know, the spring event from Apple, the first event of 2021 came out. And I think this is one of the best events that Apple had held for a long time. And it released so many hardware in this event. And today we're going to focus on the new iMac. At first, I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of people didn't like the design. But for me, I actually love it because of the engineering. Apple actually just packed everything into one little monitor, very thin. You can't even find monitors this thin, and basically all the CPU, all the power of the M1 is on here, all in the same device. You don't need an extra CPU or anything like that. Everything is on here. And I know, you guys are probably talking about the chin is too big or anything like that, but actually Apple's design always had that chin, so you can't really take that out because that's their signature design. I do hate the chin as well, to be honest with you. They didn't even put the Apple logo on there. I think they could have made the monitor thicker and put all the components behind that so that we don't have the chin. The bezels as well is wide. I don't mind that, to be honest with you, because the wide bezels actually portrays the budget-friendly Macs from before. So I think that's what they're going for with this. I think when they release the new M1X or beyond, the Pro iMacs, then it'll be a black bezel. This Mac is made for everyone to have. It's for the younger audience who maybe students in schools or something like that. This shows on the colorful designs of it as well. Now, for those of you who are wondering why they didn't put the M1X, because it's not ready yet. And also, this is one of the last devices that M1 will go to. We have the iMac. Now, they even put it on the iPad Pro. This is definitely one of the last Apple devices that they will add this to. And then they will go ahead, release the M1X to the new set of devices. And to be honest with you, M1 is actually not slow. I am actually using the M1 MacBook Air, and basically this is actually the main device I use to edit all my videos for my YouTube. M1 is actually even faster than the 15,000 Mac Pro that Apple has. So you wouldn't believe the power of this thing. Best of all, of course, is efficiency, because Apple released M1 about a year ago now. And they've tested it on different Macs and different devices already. So the average consumer that will buy the iMac will not have any problems with the M1 because it's already been tested. And the software and the hardware actually communicates with each other because it's made by Apple. Today's sponsor is Clean My Mac X. Make your slow Mac faster again like the day you got it. With the click of a button, you can get rid of your junk, malware, and free up space so that your Mac can go faster again. With this, you can get rid of viruses, adware, worm, and ransomware. Basically anything you need so that you can make your Mac fast again. So get Clean My Mac trial today. Link in the description below. Of course, the second complaints about this is the ports. They only have 4 USB-C and 2 Thunderbolt. They didn't even have the SD card slot on here. I think they could have easily put the SD card on the side, especially they already put the headphone jack on the side. The magnetic charger on the back is cool though, especially the block itself for the charger has the Ethernet port. This way it's not gonna have any clutter on the back of the Mac. Nevertheless, it does suck having only 4 USB-C ports. If you want more ports, there's gonna be a lot of third-party companies out there that will make USB-C hubs for the new iMac. So just buy one of those and just add it on. You can have ports like SD card, USB slots, USB-A on your Mac. One of the complaints as well is that the keyboard is not backlit. I don't like how they didn't make the keyboard backlit, and I don't know why they didn't do that. I think that's a must on all Macs nowadays. It does have the Touch ID, which is pretty cool, but I wish they made the keyboard backlit. The next complaints, of course, is the price. I think the price of this is actually not bad considering what you get out of it. Like, it's a pretty fast device, and it's all in one as well. Plug and play. Like, I think that is not bad at all, considering what you get and the performance that you get out of this. There are already like monitors that are $700, and this one has the monitor, a 4K monitor, and also has the M1 chip on it. So I think the price is not bad at all. And $1,400 pay for a device that will last you about 5 to 8 years. To be honest with you, that's not bad at all. Now, most of you could say that you can buy a Mac Mini for cheaper, but good luck trying to find a nice display that's 4.5K display and also the other perks that it has, the camera, the mic, the stereo, speakers, all that under 1,300. So basically, this price is not bad at all. In my honest opinion, this is well worth the price. If you are in the market for a new computer, go ahead and grab yourself one. I will not be getting one of these because I already have the MacBook Air M1. It's well worth the price, and if you're in the market, go ahead and grab yourself one. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a new iMac. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified when next videos to come. Check out muchblood1130.ca. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.